Equip your WorkSharp knife and tool sharpener, Ken Onion Edition, with attachments to expand your sharpening capabilities. The blade grinding attachment allows greater freedom in sharpening and blade customization. You will be able to sharpen a blade at any angle between 10 and 35 degrees. Changing the pulley distance setting will affect the grind profile. The 4 belts included are long-lasting and offer a wide grit array. Each belt is 1 by 18 inches, larger than the standard belts for the Ken Onion Edition. To begin sharpening, install the attachment onto the power platform. Install the proper belt and prepare the tool for the task at hand. Power the machine at the recommended speed and press the lockout switch. To sharpen, place the spine of the blade onto the reference plate. Maintain the horizontal angle and set the blade edge onto the abrasive between the upper pulleys. Move the blade across the abrasive at 1 inch per second. Stop with the tip on the middle of the belt. Sharpen the same side until a burr is raised along the entire cutting edge. Then repeat the same number of strokes on the other side. Progress up the grit scale until the desired sharpness is achieved.
One of the more frustrating tasks in woodworking is to take a given space and divide it equally into segments. Even something as simple as putting 4 hooks on a board equally spaced across the length can get frustratingly complicated. So if I divide 18 by 5, I end up with 3.6 inches, not quite 3 5/8. And that's going to be very, very difficult to lay out accurately using a tape measure or even a standard ruler. The point-to-point Mark II mechanically sets the ends of the legs equal spacing as you stretch it and compress it. So we eliminate the math and the figuring. All I really need to do here is to lay out the point-to-point until I have 4 legs inside my panel with 1 leg on each end. Use the locking knobs to lock it into position so it won't move on me, and mark the 4 positions. The Mark II version of the point-to-point features 50% thicker aluminum legs and low-friction nylon bushings at all the pivot points, providing smoother action and more accurate results. The point-to-point Mark II from M-Power Tools makes incremental marking easier for woodworking, welding, sewing, and craft projects. Find out more about the point-to-point Mark II and all our great products by visiting our website at www.woodworking.com.